Hello, so welcome to this new video, and in today's video, well, it will be quite a short one because I will just show you how a MCP server works in 1 or 2 minutes, because the reason is that I don't have much time, but I really wanted to make a video with you before I have to go. So this is the architecture of my MCP server. Basically, I have a root folder here for my routes. So I have one file there, which is a context routes.ts, and I decided to have like all of my routes in one distinct file instead of having it in the index.ts or server.ts, because it's just a little bit cleaner. So what it does here, that's the context. So basically there I display my, like in my case for my MCP server, the sample one is just my services. So I explain everything, like what I do, and that's me, and that's my details. And then we have, oh, that's a new endpoint actually. I have, sorry, so that's the context, and that's the content. So the content is the title of what I do, like if someone wants one of these services, and then basically a description there. And that's just like some keywords, you see. And so in server.ts is really simple. It's just a normal server. I have used Fastify, but usually, you can use Express.ts, which is like one of the most popular TS JavaScript framework out there. Fastify is really good too. You have plenty of others you can use. Like I was using Nest.ts before. All of them are good. And then, I just start my server. Here, actually, I will store the port number to prevent, to not have magic number. I will store it in the env, like .env file. I still have to do that. And so I will have the port number, which is this one. And I will use the variable inside. So it should be something like, I will do that after, but I will collect the variable from process. I wonder why. Maybe I just installed an extension that and then we have port, something like this, and yeah, so that's like the server. And then I just have a gitignore file. Package.json is to start the application. I have the build to run the TSC, to compile the TypeScript files into JavaScript, and then I have the start and the start comment, and then the readme, very simple, and then the tsconfig because my app is in TypeScript. As simple as that. So you see, it's very, very simple. It's a very nice API, but built for MCP server. So of course, the structure, especially the endpoints and the output, is quite different, but otherwise it's very close to a RESTful API. Okie dokie. So now I have progressed a little bit. So I have the port, like what we were doing earlier. But what I did is using the .env package from there. And so that's an addition. And so now what I did, actually, I made a typo. I just did this, but port is actually in uppercase in our file, in our env file. It has to be like that.